Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So for today I have for you guys a Sephora and Ulta haul. I have everything in this little tiny Ulta bag right here. I placed an order on Ulta's website. I purchased some things in the store as well. Same thing with Sephora. I purchased things online and I purchased things in the store. It's not a ton of stuff, but it's definitely enough for a haul. I'm also going to let you guys know what stuff I'm keeping, what stuff I'm returning, and why I'm returning, because I have tried like a bunch of these products already. So yeah, so if you guys are interested to see what I got from Sephora and Ulta, then keep watching. So first things first, this is the biggest thing in the bag, so I'm just gonna take this out first. This is the Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette. This is in the shade 8L. So this is, let me show you what the box looks like. This is what the box looks like. And then this is what the actual packaging looks like. So this is a very like sleek packaging. I love their packaging, and it's pretty sturdy too. So let me open it up and show you. Number one, it has a like huge mirror, which is awesome. And then these are the shades that come in it. They have two. They have this one, and they have another one. This one is their lightest one, because even though it is their lightest one, I still feel like these two, like these three shades, are pretty dark. This one kind of just looks like a powder, like it doesn't even like look like a bronzer. Today was actually the first time that I used it. I used it to contour and bronze up my face today, and so far I liked it. The highlights are okay. I did have to layer them with a different highlighter, but I still have to play around with it. But so far so good. This does retail for $25, and I don't think that's a pretty bad price considering like the Kat Von D one. I think it's like $49 for that one, and then this one is $25. This one is half the price, and this one so far so good. I definitely do have to try it out a little bit more, but not bad. So the next thing is from Ulta as well. This is the Loving Tan 2-Hour Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. I got mine in the shade Dark. I kind of have a tan right now because I was on vacation and I was at the beach a few days, but I know that I'm not going to keep this tan because I don't really have a lot of time to go to the beach all the time, and I don't have a pool in my backyard, so I can't just like go tanning, even though I could technically tan in my backyard. I don't like to do that, you know what I mean? So I figured, why not give this a try? Everybody raves about this, and I've never ever self-tanned before in my life, so I'm super excited to try this. I got this at Ulta, and also to go along with this, I also got this. This is the Saint Tropez Prep and Maintain Tan Application Mint. This one was actually cheaper than the Loving Tan one. The Loving Tan one was like $15 for the mint, and this was only $6. So I was like, I feel like they all do the same thing. So I just picked up this guy. I got this from Ulta as well. So super, super excited to try this. So moving right along, the next product is also from Ulta. I feel like I'm doing all Ulta things right now, which is fine. The next product is from Ulta. This is the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. This is a dewy finish one. This one I have tried a few times. Do I think it makes you look dewy? No. Do I think it locks in your makeup? Yes. And does it have like the finest mist ever? Like, it just like, it just spritz out like so nice. So far I am enjoying this. Do I wish it made me look as dewy as my Cover FX one? Yes, but this one was like $13, so I can't really complain, you know, and the mist on it is great. It doesn't like spit at you. You know those setting sprays that like spit at you and kind of like put oil all over your face and like really mess up your makeup. This one does not do that, and so far I am enjoying it. Thing is from Ulta. This I actually picked up when I was checking out. You know how they have like all those little like aisles like at the checkout register, like I don't know if they're not aisles, but they're like little like stands. They have all the little child size things in there, and they kind of like sucker you into buying more stuff. Yes, I was that sucker. This is the Origins Checks and Balances face wash. I saw this then. This was like only $12. I know $12 for like a 1 ounce face wash is a little ridiculous, but I was like, I really want to give this a try, and I have been using it quite often, and I do have like a pimple here and like a pimple here, and I don't know if that's because it's about to be that time, you know, or if it's from this, but when I put this on my face, you can really feel it like lathering your face and getting really soapy and frothy, like it says. It says it's a frothy face wash, and I just feel like it has been like cleaning my skin pretty good. So far no complaints. I'm definitely gonna have to keep trying it to like let you guys know what I really think about it, but so far it is not bad. Alright, so the next product is also from Ulta. This is another product from Flower Beauty. This is their Miracle Matte Lip in the shade Nude Blush. I have the other nude one. I forgot what it's called. This one is a little more pinky though. Let me show you. That's what that looks like. It is definitely a very, very pinky one, but there's something about her formula that I love. Like, it's a liquid lip, but it doesn't give you like that drying feeling, you know what I mean? The only thing about these liquid lips is that if you don't like touch them up after a few hours, they will give you that like white line in between your lips. But that's not like the worst thing, because usually I do touch up my lipstick like every few hours or whatever. So it's not a big deal for me, but somebody that just goes all day without touching up their lip, you may run into that problem with these. But I do like them. They're a very comfortable formula. They feel very cooling when they go on the lips, and I have no complaints about it. And this is a very pink lip. I actually have not worn this yet, so this is very out of my comfort zone, but I'm into new things these days. Into new things, so it's fine. Alright, so the next thing is actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. And to be honest with you, I just put it on like before I started filming this video. It's this lip color right here, and I'm not mad at it. This is another product from Flower. I have been really intrigued by Flower Beauty. I feel like it's because Drew Barrymore has been on all these beauty guru channels, and I've just been like watching them use all her products, and I'm like, yes, 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 like those all look great, so like let me try them. This is their, what is this called? This is just their lipstick. I don't think it has a name. Oh, Petal Pout Lip Color. I got mine in the shade Spiced Petal. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And then this is what like the color looks like, and I really like it. That's it right there. Like, I am enjoying it right now. Like, I think it looks really nice on my lips, and I don't have any complaints. And I am all for an affordable lipstick, and I think this was like $7, I think. I could be wrong. It may have been like $9, but still, I'm into it. And it feels very like creamy and like thick, but not like in a weird, like uncomfortable way. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Because it just feels like really nice. Like, I'm really enjoying this. I think this is the last product from Ulta. And can you guess what brand it's from? Ding, ding, ding. It's from Flower Beauty. This is their highlighting palette. And I have seen people talk about this forever. Let me show you guys. Let me take out this brush. This is what the shades look like. And I have used this. And to be honest with you, I definitely think I'm going to keep this. Like, they are very, very intense highlights. Can you see it right there? I don't know if you can. Let me swatch the pink one. That's what the pink one looks like. And the pink one's right. Can you see it? Kind of. You see how they're kind of reflective? They are very, very pinky and pinky. They are very, very pigmented. The pink one is definitely a pink, so when I do use that, I kind of use all three of them in conjunction. Like, I'll go in with this one, then I'll go in with the gold, then I'll top with the pink, or like whatever I'm feeling. But they aren't that bad. I believe this was like $15 though, so it was a little bit pricier for the drugstore end, but I'm not mad at it. I really do like the formula. They can get a little powdery, so just make sure you tap off all the excess before you really go in, because then it kind of just looks like it's like sitting there and doesn't give you like that like wet, like glowing from within look, which is what I really go for. So yeah, but other than that, I have no complaints about this. I am really, really enjoying this one as well. So the rest of the products are from Sephora, and to be honest with you, I'm pretty much returning all of them except for one. So let me start off with the one I'm not returning, right? So this is the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. I got the Fenty Beauty foundation in like a deluxe sample from Sephora, and I was really, really enjoying it. So I was like, let me try her primer. And so far, so good. I definitely have to play around with it a little bit more, but I don't have any complaints about it just yet. Did I see a significant difference in my makeup? No. But I have to really like pay more attention to it and really work with it a little bit more to see if I'm definitely feeling this. But so far, it's not the worst thing, but I'm not completely like head over heels, like in love with it, like as if it's going to replace my Becca First Light Priming Filter, because that one is just like everything to me. So yeah, I'm still definitely trying this. Let me read you what it claims to do. It says smooth, pore diffusing finish. You guys know I am all for a pore diffusing finish. Like, I need that, especially like around my nose. Like, that is what I need. And it says extended makeup wear. So I only tried it like once, or I think I've tried it twice, I think. But let me show you what the bottle looks like. It's so pretty. Like, it's like this frosted glass, and it's just like this nude color. Like, I love it. So yeah, so I'm definitely willing to keep trying this. This was but this was $34, I think. And for Sephora, that's kind of like not too expensive, you know what I mean? But definitely still trying this guy out. Okay, so let's start off with the next thing. The next thing is from Huda Beauty. This is her Mauve Obsession palette. Is it mauve or is it mauve? I think it's mauve. I like to say mauve, but this is her Mauve or Mauve Obsessions palette. And this is what it looks like. And then these are the colors. Now, these colors are gorgeous. They are beautiful. Like, I love these rosy toned colors, and I was like, let me try. I've never tried anything from Huda except for her faux filter foundation, which I do love. And I was like, people always talk about her. Like, everything she does goes viral, so she has to be, like, good, you know? So I was like, let me try this. I've tried it twice, right? The first time I tried it, I thought that it was like the base that I had put under. I was like, maybe it's like the base and the setting powder that I used is making the shadows not blend. Like, let me try it again. Tried it again, and the same thing happened. These, like these shades right here, the shimmer shades, right? Yeah, those are the shimmer shades. Those are good. Those are pigmented. But these other shades, they just do not blend. And I have tried them I've tried them twice, but I've tried them with different primers, different brushes, different everything. And nothing really made them work for me. And I was just like, if I have to work this hard for a $27 eyeshadow palette, it's not happening. This is going back. I am so disappointed in this. Like, I'm so sad, but it's okay. That's why you can buy things and you can try them and you can return them. I'm not saying that you should do that, but if it doesn't work for you, definitely return it. And especially since this was so expensive, it was $27 and you only get like 9 shades. So, and I was really, really hoping that it'd be better, but really did not work for me at all. Alright, so the next two products are the same product, just different colors. So I'm going to pull both of them out at the same time. These, it pains me to say this, but these are the two new Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Now, I have mine in the shade Porcelain, and I have mine in the shade Vanilla. Vanilla is the lighter shade. Porcelain is kind of like what matches my skin tone. And I have been trying these for like a week, a little over a week. What's today, Thursday? Yeah, I've definitely been trying them for a little over a week, and I'm just so disappointed. Like, I'm wearing it today, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, like it looks on camera like it's covering really good, but if you guys saw my first impressions on it, you kind of saw what I struggled with it. And to be honest with you, I've had to do so many different like techniques to try to get this to work, and it's just not worth it to me. If I have to like manipulate a concealer in a million different ways to get it to work for me, whether I have to set it right away, or you know what I mean, or like do a bunch of different things just to get it to work, it's not worth it to me. Tarte Shape Tape works for me no matter what, no matter if I bake, if I don't bake, like it always works for me. Like today, I baked with this concealer and it doesn't look horrible, but I still have like this random like little crease in this eye that I never ever get. And to be honest with you, I like the Makeup Revolution way better than I like this. Like, I wore the Makeup Revolution yesterday and I was like, why is this looking better than my Too Faced one? And I know everybody is like raving about this. I've tried it with different setting powders. I've tried it with different brushes. I've tried it with different sponges. I've tried it so many different ways, and I'm just so sad that it's not like, doesn't work for me, and it's really depressing. But for me, this one was not a win, and I mean, that's just for me. It may work for other people because other people on other channels have said that they love it and that it's like great and it's like their new holy grail, and that it may replace Tarte Shape Tape, which is like, to me, I used Tarte Shape Tape the day after I tried this and I was like, this is how like my concealer is supposed to look. It's not supposed to look like drying and like crackly and like creasy, like no. So yeah, so for that reason I am going to have to return these, and these were like $27 each, so that's a little pricey, so I'm definitely going to be returning these as well as the Huda palette. Alright, you guys, so that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I did have a pretty decent amount of hits in this haul. Wasn't too many misses. There was like 3 of them, which isn't that bad, right? It's a little mini haul for you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your thoughts below. Let me know if you guys have ever tried any of these products before and what you guys think of them and what your techniques are, and just I love to like have feedback from you guys. So yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like my video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!